Most AI tools promise to save you time, but in reality, they just give you more work. More editing. More confusion. More tools. So I wanted to test something different. What if one tool could actually simplify everything? So I tried Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition. And here's what really happened. A few weeks ago, I was juggling script writing tools, copywriting tools, AI video tools, content planners, and it felt like I was working more on tools than on actual content. If you're doing YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, Instagram content, you've probably felt the same. Here's the real issue nobody talks about. Too many tools, too many subscriptions, too much learning, and even after all that, you still don't get perfect scripts, high converting content, fast workflow. What we actually want is simple. Speed, simplicity, consistency, not complexity. So I found Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition. It claims to combine multiple AI tools, help you create content faster, reduce dependency on multiple platforms, but instead of trusting claims, I tested it like a real user. I used it for a full workflow simulation. Scenario 1. YouTube video creation. I tried creating script hook video idea result. It gave me a structured output, helped me skip blank page problem, but I still had to tweak tone and personality. Scenario 2. Affiliate marketing content. I created product description, email style content, CTA line result. Good starting drafts, saved brainstorming time, but again, not plug and play. Scenario 3. Social media content. I tested reels, captions, hooks, post ideas result. Fast content generation, useful for consistency. Here's the truth most reviews won't tell you. This tool doesn't replace your thinking, it reduces your effort, and that's a big difference. Based on sales page claims, demo walkthrough, other YouTube reviews, the positioning is clear. Beginner-friendly, multi-purpose, time-saving tool, not a high-end AI powerhouse. Here's what actually matters. Reduces content creation time, helps you stay consistent, removes overwhelm of multiple tools, easy to use. This is especially useful if you're just starting. Now let's balance it. Needs human editing, not as powerful as advanced AI tools. Some outputs feel generic, so if you expect perfection, you'll be disappointed. One-time payment, no heavy monthly fees. That makes it low risk for beginners, but always check updated pricing. Link in description. Let's be real. vs Premium AI tools, less powerful, more simple versus free tools, more organized, faster versus multiple tools, more convenient. Beginners, starting online, affiliate marketers, content creators, people overwhelmed by tools, advanced marketers, people using high-end AI stacks, those expecting automation without effort. Here's the honest truth. Clever AI Studio Xtreme Edition is not a game changer, but it's a workflow simplifier. It helps you start faster, stay consistent, avoid overwhelm, and for most people, that's enough to move forward. If you want to check it out or see if it fits your workflow, check the link in the description. I've also added bonuses, extra tools, and updates if anything changes.